guys, I'm here testing out the Upright Go. The Upright Go is a posture trainer. So pretty much what this does is it helps you to not slouch, so not round. So we're gonna unbox it. I'm excited to see, I'm really curious how big it is. All right, welcome. There's a little user manual. So here it is, guys. This is what goes on your back. Cute, it's really lightweight. So how this works is you basically adhere it to your back, kind of right in between your shoulder blades. And when you slouch and start to round, so I've heard, it buzzes or vibrates a little bit. So I'm really excited to try this out. All right. I guess it doesn't really matter where it goes. Doesn't matter if it's up or down. This is just kind of where I can reach. So honestly, feels fine. I feel like I can move, I can do yoga, I can stretch it out. I could definitely sit at my desk like this. This is good. All right, guys, so I downloaded the app. All right, so let's turn this on. We got the blue light blinking, and let's see if it'll connect. All right, cool, that was easy. So I just turned the Bluetooth on and then it connected. All right, so I wanted to show you guys what it will do if I start to slouch. The app also kind of gives you basically like a stick figure version of what you're doing. So if you round and kind of start to slouch, this is what it'll do. Hi friends, it's me again. Day 4. I wanted to check in with you guys and let you know like what's going on with the stats. Pretty much the first day that I started wearing this, I was slouching about 40% of the day, which is a lot more than I thought I was going to be. I found that most of the time that I was slouching and rounding is when I was like sitting on my couch rather than sitting at my desk. So that was day 1, was around like 39-40% of the time I was slouching. And then as time went on, I'm now at around 16%. So that's almost half, and it's already day 4. So I do have a couple more days that I'm gonna track and share with you guys. So I'm excited to see kind of how things change. And these stats are really, really neat. I'm gonna give you guys kind of a little bit of a look here. It gives you a graph, it gives you times, and it tells you how long it was tracking you for. The stats are really detailed. It also helps you to build muscle strength. There's also individual training plans that the app kind of creates for you, and it also gives immediate posture feedback. Even when I'm in the kitchen making something to eat or drink, which I love to do, love to be in the kitchen, I really don't even feel it. And it's a good reminder to, again, not slouch, but to stand up straight. Even as I'm standing here, I can feel myself sort of slouching. So it's nice to be able to kind of naturally shift the way I'm standing. Going to walk the doodle. Got my posture trainer on. Let's kick it, people. So far, I slouched 3 times going down the stairs. So let's see how many times I can manage to slouch while I'm walking Ollie. So it's my last day. Well, not my last day. I'm probably gonna keep wearing it, but it is officially day 7 and I feel a lot better. I feel definitely like my posture has improved. I definitely felt a lot more of an improvement when I'm sitting, even when I'm sitting right now, just being a lapdog holder. I think that for me, this was really eye-opening and really helpful. Even when I was just walking around, whether I was cooking or walking my dog, it really wasn't something that was uncomfortable. It's honestly something that just kind of fit really naturally into my lifestyle, just helping me to feel a lot more energized and just body aware. I think that it was a really great experience. And overall, I really enjoyed it. So that is my formal review of the Upright Go posture trainer. I'm a big fan.
The benefits of Upright Go: be your best self. Upright posture strengthens your core, boosts your confidence, and relieves stress from your back and neck. Fits your lifestyle. No matter where your office is, you'll improve your posture all day. Upright Go 2. The benefits of Upright Go to look and feel better than ever. People are impressed by someone who presents themselves as upright and capable. Good posture habits help you get noticed and make you appear more open, capable, and enthusiastic, ready for new opportunities. Make your first impressions count. When you sit or stand upright, you look and feel more confident, appear leaner, and feel better. We should care about posture because it affects who we are every day. There are mental benefits, physiology benefits, self-image benefits. Dr. Daniel Fenster, D.C. Boost work productivity and success in life. Upright posture helps you breathe deeper and more easily, sending more oxygen to your brain and enabling you to stay sharp and focused. All of these physical changes improve your thinking and mental clarity, which can make you more effective in the tasks at hand. Reduce stress, grow in mindfulness. It's been proven that how you hold your body affects your mood. Thankfully, you can change the course of your day simply by sitting upright, taking a deep breath, and becoming more aware of your body.